Welcome to this video. Today we will talk about breastfeeding for working moms. Breastfeeding is an important and natural process that provides optimal nutrition and benefits for both the mother and the baby. However, for working moms, balancing the demands of breastfeeding and work can be challenging. In this video, we will explore the benefits of breastfeeding for working moms, the challenges they may face, and tips for successful breastfeeding while working. Benefits of breastfeeding for working moms. Breastfeeding provides many benefits for both the mother and the baby, including improved immune protection, bonding, and emotional well-being. For working moms, breastfeeding can also provide practical benefits such as reduced healthcare costs, fewer sick days for the baby, and improved job satisfaction. Breastfeeding helps to reduce healthcare costs by providing natural protection against common childhood illnesses such as ear infections, respiratory infections, and gastrointestinal infections. Breastfed babies also require fewer doctor visits and hospitalizations, which can save working moms time and money. Breastfeeding also reduces the risk of postpartum depression and improves emotional well-being for both the mother and the baby. For working moms, this can lead to improved job satisfaction, reduced stress, and increased productivity at work. Challenges of breastfeeding for working moms. Despite the many benefits of breastfeeding, working moms may face challenges in maintaining a successful breastfeeding relationship while balancing work and family responsibilities. Some common challenges include lack of time and privacy for breastfeeding or pumping, difficulty with milk production or storage, and managing breastfeeding schedules with work schedules. In addition, some working moms may face discrimination or lack of support from employers or co-workers, such as not having access to private spaces for breastfeeding or pumping, or not being able to take sufficient breaks for pumping. Tips for successful breastfeeding for working moms. Despite the challenges, many working moms successfully breastfeed while maintaining a successful career. Here are some tips for successful breastfeeding while working. Plan ahead. Before returning to work, create a plan for breastfeeding and pumping schedules. Communicate with your employer about your needs for pumping breaks and access to private spaces for breastfeeding or pumping. Build a support system. Seek out support from family, friends, and healthcare professionals. Join a breastfeeding support group or connect with other breastfeeding moms in your workplace or community. Use a breast pump. Invest in a high-quality breast pump and learn how to use it effectively. Consider purchasing a portable pump that can be easily transported to and from work. Store breast milk properly. Learn how to properly store breast milk, and label and date each bottle or bag of milk. Consider using a small cooler or insulated bag to transport pumped milk to and from work. Take care of yourself, maintain a healthy diet, stay hydrated, and get plenty of rest. Remember that self-care is important for both your physical and emotional well-being. Advocate for your needs. If you experience discrimination or lack of support from your employer or co-workers, speak up and advocate for your needs. Know your legal rights and resources available to you. Build up a milk stash. Start pumping and storing milk before you return to work so that you have a supply for when you are away from your baby. This can also give you peace of mind knowing that your baby has a backup supply of milk. Set realistic expectations. Understand that it may take time to establish a successful breastfeeding routine while working. Be patient and give yourself grace, as there may be bumps in the road. Use breastfeeding-friendly clothing. Consider investing in clothing that is easy to breastfeed or pump in. There are many options available, such as tops with hidden flaps, nursing bras, and pumping bras. Communicate with your childcare provider. If your baby is in daycare or with a caregiver while you are at work, communicate your breastfeeding goals and needs. Provide a supply of breast milk, instructions on feeding, and any necessary equipment. Take advantage of lactation support. Many workplaces have lactation support programs or resources available to help working moms succeed in breastfeeding. Take advantage of these resources and ask for help if needed. Don't give up too soon. Breastfeeding can be challenging, but don't give up too soon. Seek out support. problem-solve challenges and give yourself time to establish a successful breastfeeding routine. Remember that every drop of breast milk is beneficial for your baby. By following these tips and seeking out support, working moms can successfully breastfeed their babies while maintaining their career and personal goals. With the many benefits of breastfeeding, it is a worthwhile effort to prioritize and support this natural and important process for both the mother and the baby. In conclusion, breastfeeding can provide many benefits for both the mother and the baby, including improved immune protection, bonding, and emotional well-being. While balancing breastfeeding and work can be challenging, with proper planning and support, many working moms successfully breastfeed and maintain a successful career. By advocating for their needs and seeking out support, working moms can enjoy the many benefits of breastfeeding while achieving their personal and professional goals.